Skating, they want to skate on the chair, and they just go to where bound. Welcome to my channel. You can see that we are Igbos.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Giela Messi, and today I just want to share with you all how you can become an influencer and make so much money being an influencer, making money on social media, creating content and all that. Yeah, this is like the beginner stage. Maybe you're just confused. Generally you're confused and you don't even know where to start from. Then you need to stick around and watch this video to the end. Being an influencer comes with a lot of work, but it just depends on you if you're serious and want to actually. So guys, taking you guys along with me a day in the life of an influencer. My sister is influencing for a fashion brand, and today they're going to create content, and I want to take you guys along to the house. For a beginner, you need to find a niche. Having a niche is beneficial because it puts your entire focus on just one area of the industry, which makes it easier to establish your authority and thus attract an audience that like that kind of thing, that particular thing you're focused on. This also helps you target a more specific audience, you understand, and allows you to tailor your content to the needs and the interests of those involved.
So influencing is all about creativity and consistency. That's it. You have to be creative and you have to be consistent. Also, you have to figure out what you want to do first. So whatever you want to do, you focus on it and be creative about it. And then the brands that are related to that kind of thing that you're interested in will start reaching out to you. Or you can also reach out to them in order to endorse you, sign you as an ambassador and influencer. That's how it works. First of all, you have to be creative because you don't know which video or which picture will blow you.
So you just break it down to a certain kind of, you might be a fashion influencer, beauty or skincare, it depends. For a beginner, you can just start up with a niche, a particular thing you're more focused on that draws people to your content, you understand? And again, you choose your social media. It might be on TikTok, it might be on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. And again, you need to be consistent. Aside from publishing a high quality content, make sure you're providing it on a consistent basis to retain those followers, you understand, to retain your audience.
Okay. Using the flash.
Come on, flash.
Check out my.
Why do you like this kind of anti footwear?
Aesthetics. That'll be aesthetics. Like the aesthetics. You're gonna like it.
Are you the one that thought the trouser? No. That's how it is now.
Yeah.
I want to talk.
Just with your Android or iOS, you're good to go. You start taking pictures. The only thing you need to do is to understand the weather and how your phone works with the weather. Most of the popular Instagram influencers started with their phone. Yeah, they started taking pictures and creating content with their phone.
Just with your phone, you can take good pictures and create good content, okay? It must not be perfect. With time, you get better. So, you can start with your phone. You don't need to have so much. Please like my video to give you more visibility, and thank you for tuning in. Guys,
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb.